What's up guys? In this video I'm going to unbox and review Kogan's V10 Pro cordless stick vacuum. So I got this off Kogan for about $130. They were on special, they're saying, but I think this is probably their normal price, average price for a vacuum cleaner like this. Very simple packaging, nothing much to see there except the front bit. Alright, anyway, so this is the Kogan's box. A simple white box. Not much on this one either. So I don't know what's the point of that exercise, having two cardboard boxes. At least it's not plastic. Yeah. So this is what the packaging looks like. So we got the instructions manual. What I'll do is I'll unpack the box and I'll show you what I get in the box. Okay guys, so this is everything that's come in the box. Let's open up these boxes and see what they look like. Okay guys, so this is everything unpacked. So first of all, you have your docking charger, which would actually charge on the dock, as you can see. It's got the connector and pins there. You got your unit, which I have to say does look pretty nice. It's nice and lightweight, but it doesn't have the battery in it yet. So once the battery's in, it might be a bit heavy. The only thing I did dislike is because you got holding your vacuum cleaner here, you got your grip down here, but the buttons are up top. So you're gonna have to use your second hand to operate the button. So I would have really liked the buttons to be somewhere where you can just quickly click them with your, like, either have the trigger down here with the finger. But yeah, that's a bit of an awkward spot, but it does look like it's got power and the high and low mode. And you got your extension stick, which is made out of aluminium. The rest of the stuff is pretty much made out of plastic, which seems like really nicely built. You got your crevice tool, and you got your retractable brush head. So this one would, where is the button? Oh, it's hard to do with one hand. There you go. So that's retracted. Oh, sorry, extended, and now it's retracted. So this would be really nice for your car and your sofas and stuff. You got your power brick. This is the battery. Yeah, probably weighs around maybe 300-400 grams, I think, by the feel of it. This is your first motorized brush head. Looks like it's got a pretty good swivel to it. I do not like the fact that it's got like these tiny teeny wheels. Like, I don't know how long they're gonna last. They're probably gonna break eventually. And not so sure about how long the brush is gonna last either, because this is really soft. This is the second smaller motorized brush head. Like, this one's got harder bristles. I wish this bigger brush had harder bristles like this one, but anyway, let's see how we go. So we'll test out the suction in a second now, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so it's pretty simple to insert the battery. So you grab the battery and you just click them in, and that's it. You're sort of set. The big advantage these vacuum cleaners would have is that compared to Dysons and stuff, you can't really replace their battery, and if you can, like, they're pretty expensive. So yeah, and this one has a quick release for your dustbin here. The overall quality seems pretty nice. Let's try to turn it on. Oh, it's got a screen at the back as well. Whoa. Okay, so it's got an intelligent mode. This is the maximum suction. It's pretty strong. Or you can adjust the suction. I'll show you the battery level up here. Okay, that's a nice touch. Alright, let's plug the sticks in. Oh, the other way. So as you can see, it's got 2 prongs in there, so it's motorized. Right, it snaps in quite nicely. It could have been a bit smoother, because I've seen some other vacuums, they're really smooth with these sticks and stuff. Alright, let's try the suction on the end of the stick. It does feel pretty strong, so I'll go test it out on something now. Now you see, this is what I was talking about those little tiny wheels. Can you hear all the scraping? It's the actual brush scraping on the carpet. So those little wheels are doing next to nothing. See, the other problem is I'm holding it, but I can't turn it on, so I gotta use my second hand to turn it on. Some LED lights at the front. So it looks like it adjusts the suction based on, they call it the intelligence mode. It looks like it's getting instructed to stop that. Seems like it's doing a good job. I can feel the suction coming through. So this was a seemingly clean carpet, and as you can see, it's already picked up some dust and dirt there. The suction seems quite strong. So I'll leave this video here because I don't think there's much more I can talk about. I will make an update in a few months' time to share with you how this vacuum cleaner holding up. Until then, I'll see you guys later.
It's black and white.